Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best shower product dispenser on the market, the MaisoNovo Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser. If you're tired of messy shower bottles cluttering your space, this product could be the perfect solution for you. The MaisoNovo Dispenser is a wall-mounted solution designed to hold your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one sleek unit. This set includes 3 extra-thick PET plastic black bottles, each with a generous capacity of 16.9 fluid ounces. The design is both modern and minimalist, making it a stylish addition to any bathroom decor. What sets this dispenser apart is its ease of installation. You won't need to worry about drilling holes in your beautiful tiles. The included wall mount brackets use a strong adhesive, allowing you to stick the dispensers onto any smooth surface securely. Plus, if you decide to change things up later, it's removable without leaving any sticky residue behind. The materials used are of top-notch quality. The dispenser bottles are made from fortified 55 grams PET plastic, which is known for its durability, especially in humid environments like showers. Additionally, the waterproof labels included with the dispenser will withstand the daily moisture, ensuring you always know which bottle contains which product. Now, let's talk about functionality. The MaisoNovo dispenser is perfect for both residential and commercial use. Whether you're looking to organize your home or enhance the experience in an Airbnb, this product provides a clean, accessible way to dispense your shower essentials. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for guests and family members alike to enjoy their showers without the hassle of juggling multiple bottles. Not only does it simplify your shower routine, but it also helps keep your space looking tidy. Imagine stepping into a shower that features neatly arranged dispensers instead of a mess of half-used bottles. It truly elevates the bathroom experience. MaisoNovo is a Brooklyn-based, women-led small business. Their mission is to provide stylish and functional products that help organize your home in an aesthetic way. They pride themselves on customer satisfaction, offering a fast-responding customer service team and an unconditional extended warranty policy. So, if you're ready to upgrade your shower experience and eliminate clutter, I highly recommend the MaisoNovo Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser. Its modern design, easy installation, and durable materials make it the best shower product dispenser on the market. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to get your own set. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the best products available. Until next time.